Hi, my name is Charlie Ruck. I'm a Sustainable Product Design alumni and a Falmouth University guest lecturer. I chose Falmouth University because it has world-class facilities and the environment that is based here is one of the best. It's got very family-orientated technicians and staff. The live briefs we have as well of industry kind of give you those industry connections that you need to move on within your degrees and practices. With product design in general and designers, we're conscious of what our products have an impact on. And it was very interesting to see how kind of a design has an impact from its inception all the way to its production and kind of end use scenarios, which aren't normally taught on normal product design courses. So my first year project looked at creating a fully sustainable product, so an artifact. This artifact was a pair of sustainable glasses, which instead of using finite traditional materials such as metals and kind of hinges within it, it was all designed into one body of a pair of glasses. So the design which I came up with was this fully flexible hinge, which then allows for ease of molding, but then it also allows for this very neat design that can be either molded in one component or in 3 separate components. And it wouldn't have been feasible without having to do these ideation processes within the rapid prototyping department. Using 3D printing kind of gave the inception of how you can do this bendy hinge. I've developed it further into different materials as well as other mediums such as magnetic eye sockets. This design was entered into the James Dyson Design Awards and then the Braun Design Awards, which was highly recommended and commended. Staying at Falmouth in comparison to a larger city university offers a one-to-one connection that you wouldn't normally get. The class sizes here at Falmouth are a lot smaller and a lot more intimate than you would normally see at a university. This means more time with your lecturers, more time with technicians, and more time playing around with your ideas and designs that you wouldn't normally otherwise get at other institutions. So I set up my design consultancy, Ruck Design. There we look at semiotics of products and looking at emotional connection and how you can force more emotion onto products and how users interpret them. It's interesting because we use multimedias and different approaches to look at how a product is developed and made. I'm looking at how I can expand my design consultancy, how my design consultancy can be embedded within other industries, if that is consumer industries or kind of technology industries. My kind of research is looking at how I can increase the circular economy of large format manufacturing. So it's kind of looking at how we can increase kind of robotic systems. But I'm hoping how I can utilize the work which I'm producing within my PhD. I can then utilize that within my own design practice. As a guest lecturer at Falmouth, it's nice being back on campus and teaching the next generation of designers. I don't really see myself as a lecturer. I see myself rather as a peer who's there to help and kind of assist with their education. It gives a very nice kind of understanding of where the next generation designers are, and it also helps me with my practice looking at it from a different point of view as well. I wouldn't have necessarily thought this was the trajectory I've gone on, but it does feel like yesterday that I was here. So you always have this connection to the university, which is really, really nice.